Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this beaming BMW X2 2 litre 20i GPF Sport DCT sDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 19,397 miles and it's finished in the colour Sunset Orange. It does come with 3 previous services, it's been well looked after and it's a very stylish looking SUV. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. To the rear you'll find your powered tailgate which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot much easier. In the boot you'll find 470 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,355 litres with the rear seats down. Take a look inside to the rear here, you have your stylish two-tone cloth interior with the nice white detailing. There are ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel you have your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right, controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You also have paddle shifts behind the steering wheel. Here on the display in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption, average speed, and there's also a digital speedometer as well. You also have your trip mileage there. At the top of the dashboard you do have your infotainment screen. Now this is controlled using the dial and buttons here in the center console. On the system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also connect your own source of audio through USB. There's Bluetooth connectivity as well as a CD player, giving you many options of ways to play your music. On the communication page you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. On your connected drive page you've got your connected drive store, BMW assistance and BMW messages. On the My Vehicle menu you've got vehicle settings, your system settings as well as the owner's handbook. There's even your vehicle status. Here you can see information such as the tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level and the vehicle's service requirements. Here you also have access to the vehicle's recorded service history. You can see the 3 previous BMW services there. Pressing on the service will also show you what exactly was carried out. This X2 does come with rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below the display you also have your button there for accessing the front end collision warning system. Here you can configure and adjust the sensitivity of it. It's an extremely excellent safety feature to have. Below the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. In the center console you've got a compartment along with your automatic gear selector. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.